Hello there and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Square, a website builder where you can create your website very easily without having any previous coding knowledge. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to Square website. This one is square.com, or also you can just search through your search bar squareup.com. You just have to search for squareup.com and there you go, you will get it. So now you have to head over to squareup.com. Wait, let me find it. Okay, let's get it into it. So here you can see this. Wait, not this one. Let me find the. Yeah, you can see this one. This is the Square website. Here, after logging into this site, here you can see two options. That one is get started and the one is contact sales. On the contact sales option, you can connect with contact sales team of Square, but we have to tap on to get started as we want to build an online store. So let's get started. So as you can see, these are Square some interface, or you can see example here. So you can just check them out, but for now we are gonna show you how you can create an online store with the help of Square. Tap on to get started option. Now you have to enter your email address, your password, your local languages, for example US English or Spanish, or you can say Spanish and any other language. You just have to choose that out. Then you have to check this icon, then you simply have to tap on to create account. So for now, let me add an email address. Then I have to enter my password, so let's enter a password right here. So let's enter a password, then you have to tap on to create account. After tapping on to create account, wait until the page loads completely. Now you have to answer some basic questions. For example, you have to tell square.com about your business, that what is your business about. So I'm gonna enter my business name. For example, I'm gonna give the name to my business is Shark Cloth. Okay, dark clothes. Then you have to tap onto next at the top right corner. Here you can see this option. Just tap onto next, then you have to enter all other information. For example, what do you primarily sell at dark clothes? For example, I'm gonna tap onto professional services. Then you have to enter all the questions so that Square.com AI can generate a perfect website according to your need. So I'm just gonna enter the informations right here. So there we go, we have been entered to square.com, or you can see Square Up dashboard. So this is how it looks like. At the top left corner you can see check out your items and services. For example, what type of items do you sell, or any other things. For example, here you can check out gift cards or subscription plans. Also you can create an item right here. Also you can import items. So for now, let's go back, and here you can check out these invoices and payments. Here you can check out your transactions right from here. So you can also check out orders from here. You can check out your invoices, overview projects, invoices and recurring series, etc. You just have to tap on to create an invoice here, and then you can create an invoice right from here. You have to enter your customer details. You have to enter all other information it is asking for right here. You can also enter some messages with AI if you wish to. And lastly, you have to check out your service pricings. You can add items from here. You can scan a barcode also, and etc. So you can then lastly send it or save it as draft. Let's go back and check out other options from here. You can check out these apps, and then you can connect with Deliver Zero or AliExpress and other websites, or you can see supplier sites. From here you just have to tap onto them, and then you can get started with them, and then you can add them to your Squarespaces. You can check out your payment links if you want. You can create some payment links from here by adding all this information here. You just have to edit them according to yourself. Now you have to edit this. You have to give it a title. and then you have to add a description, frequency. You can enter exact amount right from here, and then you can upload an image of your product, and then you can save it up, and you can customize all of the things from here. You can just check them out, and after checking all of them out, you can just tap on to save option at the top right corner, and from here you can also check out the desktop preview, that how it look like. So for example, let me add an image right now from here. So let's add an image. Let's go back and add this image right up here, and then you can just save it up, and the image will be added. And after adding all your products and customizing all of these things, you have to tap on to save, and by tapping on to save, it will be saved to your SquareUp dashboard. Then you can edit all these things if you wish to. Then here you can check out subscriptions. You can create a subscription plan if you wish to. Right from here, you have to enter your plan details, for example your name, and then you can assign items if you wish to. You can search for items, and then you can just done, tap on it, and it will be saved. You can also add frequency option, and after customizing thing, just simply tap on the save option and it will be saved. So now let's go back, and here you can see this option here, dark cloud. This is your basically your ID. Here you can check out your account settings. If you need anything to edit, you can just edit that. You can also add passcode from your iOS. If you wish to, you can enable two-step verification. You can add many more things, for example Square for retail, Square appointments, or Square for restaurants, etc. You can just tap onto it and you can get started for free. Here you can check this banking thing. There you can check your balance, your loans, your bill pay, your pay bills, vendors, and also settings, for example payment methods, notifications, email forwarding, etc. Here you can check out some Square messages right from here. Wait until the page loads, and you can try it for 30 days very easily. Now here you can check out this Square AI. You can just tap onto it, try it out, and you can ask any question to it and it will answer, like what can you do, what is your services, wait, and then you can tap enter, and there you can check out this. You can check out your insights about your sales, transaction flavor, and customer. Square AI also help with common support questions or contact, etc. If you have any question, you can just go to Square AI simply, and then you can ask it anything. So that was pretty much it about Square AI. So if this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel, toggle the bell icon on. Also like this video. So see you on another video. Till then, take care and goodbye.